This question states, which cellular structure is responsible for producing proteins? So let's look at the choices. Option A states mitochondria, and you might have heard the phrase that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And what this means is that the mitochondria helps with energy production that the body could use as fuel to keep bodily functions and your processes going. So this question is asking about producing proteins, which is different than producing energy. So we can eliminate option A, mitochondria, because there's a better choice here. Option B says lysosomes, and lysosomes help with cell breakdown. So they get rid of waste products that the body no longer needs, so the body could have space and energy for other functions. And this is different than producing proteins, so we can eliminate option B as well. Option C is ribosomes, and ribosomes do indeed produce protein. And since the question is asking about producing protein, we know that option C, ribosomes, is the correct choice. But let's take a look at option D so we understand this as well. So the cell membrane is like the outer surface of the cell, and depending on the substance that is coming to the cell membrane, it might be allowed through the cell or it might not be, depending on what this substance is comprised of. So the cell membrane helps for security of the cell or allowing materials in or out as necessary, which is different than producing protein. So we can eliminate cell membrane. And then that leaves us with choice C, ribosomes, which produce protein, like the question is asking.